Good evening, everyone. In fact, a warm good evening from IIT team. This is Veena Robinson, General Secretary, IIT. And today, it's again a very important day for us, another feather in IIT's cap. We're going to launch our second chapter, which is Andaman and Nicobar Islands chapter, with the help of our very experienced team from Andaman and Nicobar. And for today's evening, we have got few important guests. They'll be joining us soon. And before I invite others, I would like to invite our president, Mr. Naveen Manchanda. Naveen, please join us.
Good evening, everybody. Namaste. Thank you, Veena. Thank you for inviting me. So today is another very important day. As you said, another feather in the cap of IIT. And we are very glad today to inaugurate our second, chapter, local chapter of IIT. So IIT is centrally managed at our head office at Delhi, but now we are adding different chapters for states and union territories. And as we thought in the beginning, the idea is to connect whole of India and bring positivity to the travel trade. And because as everybody understands, the travel agent always feels that we are on our own. So we are getting a lot of moral support, but for the financial support, I think we need to keep on working very hard. It's the system in India anyways. So we are a big country, great country as well. So we are connecting the different regions of India, and we launched Gujarat chapter, which was very successful. Now we are happy to launch this Andaman chapter with a very powerful local team and people who are very good partners for us in Andamans. And we have got a lot of projects lined up. Now very soon we will be talking about Kashmir chapter of IIT coming in the month of January. Then we are talking about Maharashtra chapter. Then we are talking about Madhya Pradesh chapter. So a lot of launches lined up for IIT. And not only this, we are also proud to say that a lot of business is already happening from IIT to IIT members. So on this, we are going to have a show very soon, an event on Facebook Live where people can see how IITians are helping IITians to increase the business. This is something which makes us very proud as well. And then we have got a new tie-up and we want to guide people on the new things, innovative things that they can do. And we are going to talk very soon about golf tourism and film tourism as well. And we are expecting some VIPs from Bollywood industry to join us on a show where they will be talking about Bollywood tourism as well. And in addition to that, we are going to introduce, some people, the who's who of cruise business, and people can see how to, enter into cruise business and how to do it well. So that cruise event is also going to come up very soon. And to add to this, as we said in the beginning, first we are going to join India, then we are going to go international. So going on those lines, in 2021, we are planning a big event for IIT, which is going to happen in London. So in UK, we are planning a big event with IIT. So the information will be announced soon. We are still working on it. So a lot of information is still pending. So the moment we have more clarities, we'll be bringing the details of the event, which is going to happen in London. So Team IIT is working on that as well. So I think we are very glad to be here with this new chapter, and we have some very important person from tourism industry. So Veena, would you like to invite
before we invite
special lady?
Naveen, before we invite them, I just want to say one thing, that we are going to keep the whole industry very busy in 21. With a lot of launches and a lot of activities. And I hope most of the people already aware about Coffee with IIT. And we are getting very good response for Coffee with IIT, which is happening every Tuesday at 2 p.m. So, I just want to request once again to all the industry people to join us every Tuesday at 2 p.m. for Coffee with IIT. It's a very interactive session where, we have all the members of IIT. And I would really like to mention one thing here, that IIT has crossed 1,500 members already.
So
it's again a very big achievement for IIT.
the coffee session that we have every Tuesday at 2 p.m. It's a very interactive session.
Yes.
And we would like to invite everybody from the travel industry. Even if you are not yet IRT member, it doesn't make a difference. It is open to all the people from travel trade. So just join in on Tuesdays at 2 p.m. and just talk about tourism, talk about your hobbies, just get connected to people, because as we say in tourism line, your network is your net worth. So
Exactly.
you have to keep increasing your network. I think Mr. Vinod has some problem in joining. Meanwhile, could you just invite Madam on screen, please?
Okay, so now, we would like to invite our very important guest for this evening, Ma'am Motushi Naskar. She's the Assistant Director, India Tourism, Andaman. Ma'am, please join us.
Namaskar, Madam. Welcome.
Yeah,
Namaskar,
very
ma'am.
good evening to everyone. Thank you for this platform. And I would like to thank IATA for this recognizing Andaman as a chapter. It has got huge potential, and it has lot many stuff to offer. Starting from hilly roads, the hilly drives, then ferry sailing, boat sailing, water activities, nature lovers and for beach lovers. So what not it has, along with the history. And at the same time, this destination is very well equipped for the entire segment. I mean, target segment. So this is like a market where every segment can be included. That kind of service is given. It has also started with the yacht, as it has been recognized as a yacht destination too. So this Andaman has lot many things, and I really would like to thank you all for giving us this platform to uh, make others known about this destination. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you for joining us.
ma'am.
And
Thank
now
you
we
so
are glad to
much.
have our pillar of strength for Andamans, Mr. Vinod,
Yes.
who is the chapter chairman for Andamans. Welcome, Vinodji.
Welcome,
Good
Vinodji.
evening. Good evening
Namaskar.
and welcome everybody. I'd like to first of all thank, like Madam told, for launching the chapter in Andaman. And this is the first national organization which is opening a chapter in Andaman. So I would like to thank you once again for this, for recognizing this destination, which is sooner going to be a big name in the tourism industry with all your blessings and supports. I assure you all the support from all stakeholders of Andaman tourism. We have a very good motivator and a very good officer in India tourism since last 1 year. And with you people, Madam, you have always been a good support, and since last 1 year,
Thank you.
together we have done a lot of work.
Yes.
And we have got a blessing in the name of IRTA. IRTA today. We will work, definitely we will work together and we'll go further.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Vinodji. We are always glad, to be and lucky to have partners like you and Madam, who are going to, we are going to promote the destination, and you are going to promote, the connectivity all over India, because as you said, this is the first national body. We feel so proud to be connected to, partners like you who are doing so much for the tourism, and we are going to connect Andamans to all of India and all of India to Andamans, and then IRTA to the whole of the world. So
absolutely. And we have such a strong team, sitting in Andamans, aggressively working. And I think it's a teamwork which is happening right now. With the support of local team, we have been, we have managed to get so many members. And thank you so much once again, Vinodji, for all the efforts that you've been putting in, you and your team. I would really like to invite other teammates, Mr. Robert and Mr. Vijan. They have been a great support, all this while. Vijan and Robert, please join us.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, welcome, Vijan and Robert.
Welcome. So, Mr. Vijan is our General Secretary for Andaman chapter, and Robert, our Joint Secretary for Andaman chapter. Thank you so much for joining us.
Perfect. Veena, let's invite now core members of IRTA as well. So we have Mr. Subhash Verma, who is going to join us, and then we have Mr. Gaurav Khandelwal, So our national advisor and joint secretary. Welcome Subhash ji. Welcome Gaurav.
Yes,
Thank
good
you.
evening.
Thank
Good
you.
Good evening,
evening.
Subhash sir.
Hello. Yes, good
Good
evening.
evening,
And
Gaurav.
now we
Good
have
evening,
Sandeep
Hello, good
Shaw
everybody.
evening.
joining
Namaskar,
us.
everybody. Namaskar, everybody.
Namaskar, welcome. Now Sandeep Shaw is joining us from Jaipur. Welcome Sandeep ji.
Welcome,
Atiti
Sandeep.
Devo Bhava.
Good evening.
It is
So
it is surely an honor for achieving this milestone with IIT and Andaman chapter. IIT is, as you all would know, is a newborn baby, but with God's grace, we've done wonders. We have now reached a figure of 1,500 members in a very short
Yes.
span of time. And now with
yeah,
this association of having Andaman as a chapter launch today, I'm very sure that we will achieve more heights with all your support, with support of Madam Vinodji and all our main team sitting there in Andaman. And I wish all of us all the very best. Thank you very much. Thank you.
thank you.
As
Subhash sir.
Vinodji said, it's a matter of proud for us as I know Matoshi from long time from Ministry of Tourism, and I'm very happy and thanks for your being here. And as Vinodji
Thank you.
said, I think the IATA is the first national association of India having a chapter in Andaman. So this is a proud plus proud. It's for us and such a big moment for IATA. Congratulations to us all and to the chief guest and everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
Subhash
you,
sir.
Subhash
Sandeep
sir.
ji, over to you.
Congratulations to the IIT Andaman chapter launch on 15 December. It's a moment of recognition after the launch of Gujarat chapter. It's an honor and privilege, ma'am, from the Ministry of Tourism. It's a humble request that please look after the interest. We are going through a very bad phase of pandemic, and with this kind of support and cooperation, we look forward for sustainable tourism to start with. People are going to Maldives, but I'm quite sure with your aggressive marketing plans, we can establish Port Blair and Andaman as good or even better destination than people going to Maldives. With this, I would like to congratulate the launch of IIT Andaman chapter and look forward for further cooperation and help from the government of India. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sandeep ji.
Sandeep ji. It's very
Thank you.
interesting
Thank you.
what you said. Yesterday, we had a booking for Maldives from my company, and we were discussing, and they said, "What if we come to India? You have something like Maldives?" And I said, "Yes, we have Andamans.
Yes.
So just wait for the right time for it to open, and the next trip you can have because these are clients who love to have beach holidays and they love water. So we were talking about Andamans yesterday. So I would just like to ask the Andaman team, like, what is the situation at present in Andamans? Is it fully open? Are the private ferries operating, or it is just the government ferries? Like, how is the situation? Has it started picking up? What are the formalities?
So officially we have opened on 27th of September, and we were
Right.
having two flights. We were having two flights on that day, and as of now we are
Okay.
having 9 flights. The
Right.
private
That's good.
ferries has not yet started.
Okay.
And
Okay.
as on
Okay.
date, we have opened only South Andaman for tourism. A tourist can
Right.
visit
Right.
Swarajdeep, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island, North Bay, and all the museums in Andaman. And he
Okay.
can enjoy the water sports like scuba diving and jet ski and sea kart and parasailing. He can enjoy all the adventure sports in Andaman.
Right.
North and
Right.
middle, we are hopeful we will be opening very soon.
Okay.
And there are chances of increasing of flights also. Now from 2 we have come to 9.
Right. That's a
Situation
great.
is going.
That's
Situation
a
is
very
getting
good thing.
better, and we have started
Yeah.
getting tourists now.
Okay. And what do you think? Like, how much time will it take to come back to 2019 scenario? How long is the road ahead to come back to 2019 figures?
It will take around 6 more months for us to come to our back
True.
days, because we have to open north and middle. We are a far off place. The administration has to think of lot of things. So it will
Very
take
true.
another 6 months for us
Okay.
to come back on track. But we are happy that tourism has started in Andaman.
Yeah. So that's and any formalities for quarantine or PCR test? Like, what is it exactly
As of now,
for our viewers?
there is no quarantine for tourists who are positive.
G.
And previously they were used to be checked in Port Blair Airport only.
Okay.
Now they can bring a report from any ICMR approved labs,
Okay.
which is valid for 72 hours.
Uh-huh.
Until they stay in Andaman, it will be valid. No
Okay.
need to
So
check
the
again for
RT-PCR or the which test is needed?
RT-PCR.
RTC, RPT. Okay, fair enough. And that test should be about 72 hours prior to the check-in. That should be the
No, no.
validity, right?
No. After check, if they're coming on 10th,
Yeah.
Mhm.
they can get it checked. Yeah, right. They can check it before 72 hours.
72 hours prior to the check-in
72
should be
Prior to
valid.
check-in.
Yeah,
Prior to check-in.
prior to check. And what is the procedure, Vinodji, once the tourist or the client checks out and he goes back to his destination, then also he has to get some tests done after he checks out?
Nothing. Once he gets
Oh,
his test
no,
done
no.
and reaches Port Blair, after that, nothing.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So
Subhash,
is
you
there
have any
anything you would like
questions?
to share about
So-
Andaman? I mean, any other information which the industry people know about?
There are a lot of things which we have to share, and since last 1 year we are doing this. Andaman,
Mhm.
like Sir told, there was a quarry for Maldives. I can assure you we are a better
Yeah.
destination than Maldives.
Yeah, that we
And
believe.
Andaman is the Indian Maldives now.
Indian
coming up.
Maldives. And we
Yeah.
have a
All your
very
support,
strong
with
team
all your
sitting
support,
over
you
there,
showed
so
me
I'm
the
very
world.
sure.
Yeah, we have
Yes.
got better waters, I think.
Local for vocal is very relevant.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
local for vocal is very relevant.
So I think
Yeah.
it's time for us to promote Andaman, and let's give this to let the whole industry know that we have local Maldives here in India. Instead of promoting Maldives, we should promote Andaman, right, Naveen?
And we'll have to ask
Very
Madam
true, very
also
true.
how
Yes.
is Andaman tourism? What activities they are doing to promote Andamans, like, and where all we can collaborate together. So I mean, we would like to know more about the plans of the government, of the tourism office.
Yes, ma'am.
There are many plans going under Swades Darshan and other thing, like
Mhm.
Long Island and other than Ross and Smith Island in Diglipur. That's the north Andaman, north part of the Andaman. So those things are going to be open now because it was there in the 2019. We had started and we were doing a lot of things, but then due to this pandemic thing, everything has got stopped. But then near we are going to start everything and we will be having a new project. So right now, whatever we had, we are working on it, and we are trying to get more and more hotels registered under the Ministry of Tourism. We have got many bed and breakfast and homestays enrolled, registered by Ministry of Tourism, and we are getting a lot of tour operators and travel agencies also, so that we can have a organized way, a planned way we can start. So this is the right now we are planning and we are having this. Apart from this, the seaplane and the talking is going on with the civil aviation for seaplane, and then there are other things are also there. So these are the main points which are right now going on.
Seaplane would be a major
I
attraction.
want to ask you is,
Yes, sir.
I hope the MOT at the center has some quality and a good budget for Andaman.
Sir, right now, this year, everything has been cut off. We didn't get a single penny, so that's a different part. But then it's fine because next year we are hoping for best because we had a good budget, but then this year nothing was given. But next year we are hoping we will be having a lump sum amount so that we can start with new things. Without budget, we can't even think of
Yes,
doing
I know.
For any
But ma'am,
promotional work,
Ma'am, why can't
yes,
we
sir.
do?
Yes, sir.
Why can't we do a public-private partnership? Why can't we do a public-private partnership? There are Fortune Group of hotels, there are Taj people who have come in, there are a lot of other hoteliers which have come in, and there's a scarcity of rooms available in Port Blair and other adjoining islands. What I would suggest is if the government is not going to come forward, I appreciate government has got other aspects to look into it, but at the same time, we would like, as we have started our virtual Indian Association of Travel and Tourism Experts, we would look forward for more people to come up on a public-private partnership and take it from there. Government to a certain extent will help, but a public PPP model will work out for this.
That will be the most important thing. If that gets executed, then there is nothing better than that. So we are also working on it. how to get involved with the local people and how to get local, I mean, this thing. So that will be a major, because that is our next target to look into.
Private one is okay. It's publicly, to be government has to decide, na, Sandeep.
So decide, yes, sir.
So I think
Anyway.
we need to.
Naveen, I think our
Yeah.
team has
Yeah, I
more
think we-
members. I think they would also like to
Yeah,
say a few words.
that's what I'm going to say. I think we need to just shuffle a little bit. Okay,
Yes.
so maybe we can have Jatin. Can he log in? Can you just ask? Okay, so we'll just welcome Mr. Saket also.
Already asked.
Saket Bishwas, and we'll just shuffle. Can we ask Mr. Jatin can he try to log in?
I
Can you
think-
ask
I've
Jatin
already
to log
asked
in?
him.
Yes.
Okay, I've
because
already asked him. I've already asked him.
Gaurav, can you try connecting to him again? Because right now we can take him quickly if he wants.
Yes, he's trying.
Yeah, because right now I don't see him trying to log in. So if he can log in right now, we can take him in. Yeah.
Ma'am, in the meanwhile,
So
can we
second-
talk something about Andamans?
Yes.
Ask
As to
Sandeep ji.
what
Ask what do you want to know?
Please ask.
My question is, are there new properties opening up in Andaman Island?
Yes.
कौन-कौन से जरा बता सकते हैं सर?
नीति आयोग के सहयोग से 6 जगह में नई प्रॉपर्टी आ रही है। स्मिथ आइलैंड,
जी जी
हैविस आइलैंड,
जी जी
भरतपुर,
जी जी
लॉन्ग आइलैंड,
जी जी
हैवलॉक,
जी जी
जो अभी सर्वाज द्वीप
जी,
के नाम
जी।
से जानी जाती है, और चिड़िया टापू।
So,
ये 6 जगह नीति आयोग के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में नई प्रॉपर्टीज आ रही है।
so these are government properties or private mixed or what?
PPP mode. नीति आयोग will give it on
Acha,
PPP mode.
okay.
We had
I
2-3
understand.
meetings in Delhi, but after this COVID, the process was slowed down. Again,
Okay,
they are starting
okay.
it in January. And a lot of locals have come up with good hotels here, good properties.
Okay.
Hotels and bed and breakfast, and then homestays. They have come up with those things, and they have got very good establishments in this.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
And we have got people coming up with good hotels also, like in Chiriatapu, we got a resort with 100 rooms.
Private people, yeah. Okay.
It's a Singh Hotels group. They have come up with a new hotel with 100 rooms.
Oh, very good. Congratulations, sir. We as an independent, ma'am, we have gone through the work phase.
There is a disturbance.
Hello.
So-
Naveen, I
And
think
Sri and tourism-
Jatin is having some problem. He's trying to join us, but
As you see, Vinodji, I think next 1 or 2 years, Andaman, and with your help and all that, is much more potential because of domestic. Everybody from Prime Minister to private industry, everybody's now next 1 or 2 years will be domestic tourism
Yes,
in
sir.
India, and hence that is why it's very, very important, your destination.
Yes, we are very hopeful, and with the new airport coming up soon by September,
Yes.
definitely
Okay.
our tourism will go up with all the support of IAT and all our friends from Ministry of Tourism and all stakeholders. We are expecting that next year we will have a good time.
No, our
Yes,
IAT
everybody-
members will be more, we will spread the word among all our IAT members, and
Yes.
they will definitely look into it with the priority wise.
yeah, Subhash sir, the team is very aggressively active,
Yes.
at all the platforms, in
It's good
Telegram,
to know we are
Facebook,
requesting
everywhere.
No, we will at IAT will promote Andaman now with your help and cooperation much more among our members and also otherwise.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, in fact, we would like to request you to please visit our destination, have a look, experience yourself the service, the hospitality, the destination. Then only
Yes.
you will understand what we are trying to express.
I myself have traveled the world, 84 countries, India also, but one destination, Andaman, I have never been. I'll be very honest, I have never been to Andaman.
Please
So,
take the time
So Subhash, sir, now you have the opportunity to travel local Indian
Yeah,
bodies, huh?
let's plan it soon.
Sir, it was,
Let's plan it soon. For
Thank you.
Anchor.
Thank you very much.
sir, it was
I will.
true because you were supposed to travel with IATA only. And I agree with my madam.
Yeah.
We would like to invite you all and we'd like to host you, the IATA team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I've been
We
talking
are going
to
to plan
Nobisi as it is.
Yeah.
I told her that I will come soon.
Yes, sir, Subhash, sir,
Sir,
but
it's not about-
now the whole IIT team is
But sir, it's
planning to
not
travel,
you.
no? So all of
It's
us will
not-
go together.
it's not
So now
only
I
you.
think
I
we have
would
to go
like to
together.
add one thing. It's
Yes,
like
please.
it's a privilege for me to get this platform where Guruji is sitting with a student, and I mean, it's like we are sharing the
Thank
same
you very
platform.
much.
That is the most valuable moment for me. Thank you
Thank
very
you very
much.
much.
So
Thank you
nice.
very
Now-
much to organize all
Guruji-
those things.
Madam, Guruji is going
I'm so
to come
pleased.
now
Thank
with
you.
300 people from IATA.
Now Guruji has to
So-
come down. There is no
We
other
will
way.
plan a
He
big
has to come
convention
down.
with Vinodji. Yeah.
Yes,
We will
yes.
plan a big convention with Vinodji now.
Yes.
Okay, so we have got Jatin Mehta joining us from IATA. Hi, Jatin.
Hi, Jatin. Good evening.
Hi, Jatin. How are you?
Namaskar
Hello,
all.
Jatin. Good evening.
Good evening all. The very first thing I would like to say, I would like to thank and congratulate this dreamer who has dreamed of this IATA, Mr. Naveen Manchanda, and I want to thank him for letting us in for in this forum where we can grow with the entire country among entire country. I just done my second thanks and congratulations is to Subhash sir, who's been guiding us throughout that how to do, what to do, where to do, when to do.
Thank you.
Then thanks ma'am and Mr. Vinod for joining us, and like to congratulate entire team and entire Andaman team for this growth and adding this extra feather in the hat of today. Thanks a lot. Thanks everybody and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jatin. Thank
Thank
you
you,
for the
Jatin.
kind
Thank you
word.
very much.
जतिन देखो कारवा बड़ा होता चला जा रहा है कारवा इज इंक्रीजिंग अभी दिल्ली से शुरू
Yes.
हुआ गुजरात पहुंचा अंडमान पहुंचा महाराष्ट्र आने वाला है मध्य प्रदेश आने वाला है एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर दिस कारवा इज गोइंग टू रीच लंदन एज वेल सो वी आर गोइंग first pan India and then international connecting the travel and tourism trade.
We hope that we are going to be all over the globe. So let's aim that.
That's what the plan is.
Yeah.
एंड गुरुजी को हम डिस्टर्ब करते रहेंगे गुरुजी 300 लोगों के हमारे इवेंट कराते रहेंगे गुरुजी is playing a big part in connecting people. Madam, Guruji has to come with 300 people, so you better start preparing to welcome us.
Please, we don't mind. 300 is less. क्या
So
बोलते हैं
in
विनोद जी?
21,
Is it okay, 300 people?
Madam, we are ready
in
for
21,
everything.
IIT is going to keep you busy because 300 लोग आते रहेंगे तो आप लोग पूरे साल बिजी रहेंगे.
He is most welcome. We want you to come. We want you to feel the place.
जी 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 जी
Thank you so much.
We would,
जी
We would be more than glad.
आप लोग रहे.
जी पहले
वो
300 में
will-
हम लोग रहेंगे विनोद जी
पहले
For
300
sure
में हम
we are
लोग
going to be
रहेंगे.
there. जी जी जी
We'll take Andaman our top priority.
Like, we would like to promote Andaman as a destination wedding. People are going to Maldives, people are going to Dubai, people are going to various countries within India also. West India में क्यों नहीं हम लोग शादी कर सकते हैं? And when people are going for destination weddings, it's ideal. I mean, we've got all the luxurious properties with all the amenities, and now with the seaplane, etc., you're planning to develop. I mean, Gujarat has already got the seaplane.
Yeah.
I'm quite sure
Yeah.
Andaman would be in a better position where people, if this pandemic continues to carry on like this, at least we have a destination to focus on.
right,
Sir, we were
right.
the first.
Right.
Sir, we were the first destination in India to have a seaplane,
All right.
and very soon we'll be having again.
Amazing, amazing.
Good.
That's
So I think I think we need to talk also to Mr. Vijayan. He has not spoken. Mr. Saket,
Yes.
he has not spoken. Is he there?
Vijay ji,
Yes.
Vijay ji.
Vijayan ji.
Vijayan ji.
Vijayan.
Vijayan ji.
Sir, network
Vijayan ji.
problem. Sir, network problem. I can't hear your voice and all.
Oh,
Acha,
We are
okay.
hearing
We can hear you. You can say, sir.
We can hear you.
You please go ahead.
but he can't hear us.
Hello.
He can't hear us.
I'm calling him.
So Vijayan ji has some network issues.
Hello.
We have Naveen. We have one more person with
Mr.
us now.
Saket. Yeah, Mr. Saket, I don't see him anymore. He was connected, but I think some technical issues. So Mr. Vijayan also having some technical issues,
I
maybe.
will ask Vijayan to speak. We
I
can hear
believe
him.
network issues there.
I think Vijayan has
Yes.
some network issues. Meanwhile, we have Robert who is trying to join us
Robert.
back to the studio.
Yes.
Welcome
Yeah.
back, Robert.
Welcome
Welcome
back,
back,
Robert.
Robert.
Welcome back. Welcome back,
I think-
Robert.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi,
Thank you,
Robert.
everybody. Thank you, sir.
Good evening.
Hi, sir.
आप बात करिए, आपका
Good
So,
evening,
so
very good
Robert,
evening.
how are you feeling today? How is it? कैसा लग रहा है?
How
Feeling
happy,
कैसी
in
है
fact, it
आपकी?
should be how happy you are feeling.
Yeah,
Robert.
how happy.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. Feeling
Robert
proud.
has done a lot of hard work. Yeah, you
Really?
have worked really hard to connect us. Yeah.
Exactly. Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much
Thank you,
for all
thank
the support and everything. आपने बहुत help करी है
Yes.
और
Really.
बिल्कुल आप बताओ आपको कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब और बताओ ना, हम जानना चाहते हैं आपको कैसा लग रहा है। जी
नहीं
हाँ।
नहीं, बहुत
Yes.
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और टीम ATO आपके साथ कभी भी रहेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We are really feeling very proud to join the national platform of IIT. और
So, Robert, I
always
could,
with you.
I could see you were very excited in the afternoon. Also, you were there for coffee. You're ready
Yes,
for
yes,
coffee.
yes.
So what
Yes.
actually we would want more and more people from Andamans to join our coffee session.
Yes.
Coffee with
Yes.
IATA every Tuesday, open forum for all tourism professionals, not limited to IATA members. Anybody from tourism is welcome to join. 2 p.m.
Exactly.
every Tuesday on Zoom.
Sure. And they can interact with the members
Sure, sure,
and they
sure.
can learn more about Andaman.
Yeah.
Sir, I'd like to,
Yeah,
I'd
please.
like
So,
to thank Robert.
We
I'd
will
like
try
to
to bring
thank
more
Robert for
members
this
in next week,
platform.
sir.
Yes. So I think ma'am is not aware. Ma'am, every Tuesday we have this coffee with IT session, which happens, among the IT members. So, if you ever free during that time, you're most welcome to join us. So then you can see how interactive that session is.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you very much, ma'am. I will
Madam,
definitely
I-
try to join.
I'd
Please
like
It's
do
just a
that.
half an hour
I
session,
would just
man.
like to
Yeah,
I'd like
Vinod
to
ji is
thank
saying
Robert.
something.
I'd like to
Yeah.
thank Robert for connecting all of us, because amidst my busy schedule, Robert was the person who was taking care of all the things. So through this platform, I'd like to thank Robert once again.
Thank you, sir. It's
Thank you,
good.
thank
So
you.
Robert,
Robert. Thank you
Robert,
very
thanks
much.
to you for connecting.
Yes.
Thanks to you, Robert, once again.
In
Thanks
fact,
once again,
Naveen
Robert.
ji, in fact, I would really like to apologize to Robert because I have really troubled him a lot. I really,
Okay, that's-
I really trouble him a lot,
Then I
for a
will
lot
follow
of
you.
things,
Then
and
I will
he's
follow
always
you.
there.
Then I will
Robert-
follow. I was the next to trouble him.
Okay, I think it's a good trouble. He's liking this
No.
trouble. He was ready in the afternoon with
I think so.
Yeah.
हाँ Robert,
Yeah, yeah, he's-
I hope you're liking the trouble. आपको मेरे trouble देने से कोई problem तो नहीं है?
Yes. नहीं,
Yes,
कोई
yes,
प्रॉब्लम
yes.
नहीं, कोई
No
प्रॉब्लम
more.
नहीं,
मीना
यार,
बहुत
नहीं।
प्रॉब्लम है, yes, yes, कह रहे
But
हैं।
नहीं,
नहीं है.
Problem नहीं है. He's saying he's
So
happy.
Robert,
with-
गौरव needs a clarification. आपको मेरे बार-बार आपको कॉल करने से, मैसेजेस करने से प्रॉब्लम है या नहीं है? गौरव wants to know that.
नहीं है.
Robert is a
नहीं,
very
नहीं.
hard-working person, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ problem होगी.
नहीं है. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So for a new chapter, I think we are talking about good numbers. We
Yes.
are while with the team of Vinod ji joining us, I think we are talking about 120 new members for IATA. So
Wonderful.
overall, this means that within next week or within 3-4 days, we are going to cross the number of 1,600, which makes it
Yes.
even stronger. So we are heading towards the next figure before the new financial year of 2,000 plus
Great.
members. And we recently had a tie-up. We have not yet brought it online, but we recently had a tie-up where we are going to make it official very soon, where Fern Group of Hotels is joining us. So around 80 hotels are going to join us in the coming week.
Great.
So unofficially it's done, and we are going to do the official declaration, and the event is going to happen in early January, first week or
Yes.
second week. So with all your blessings,
That's
IATA
good.
is
That's
going.
very good. That's very good.
Sir, we
And
have
ma'am,
some network
recently-
issues. We have some network issues, and I assure you, we'll also be making new members with good numbers very soon.
Thank you, sir. We are counting on you because
Thank
we
you.
know that
Thank
you
you very much.
are very strong in Andamans, and we are so proud to be associated to people like you, who are
Really.
who are the soul of tourism in Andamans. And under your leadership, I think Andamans chapter is going to grow manyfold, and we will be always proud to have you.
With
And
all your
we will also
blessings,
try
with
to
all
do
your
one
blessings,
event.
we'll do that.
Thank you, sir.
I'm
Thank you
good.
so much.
We will,
Thank you very much.
Vinodji, we will promote Andaman. But we
Right.
assure you, first of all, IATA team will be your mehman.
We are expecting you soon. Sir.
That's
We are
wonderful.
waiting- we are
That's
waiting for
wonderful.
that moment.
That's a perfect Jugalbandi.
We
We are
recently
eagerly
had
waiting.
the Indian Travel Mart at Jaipur, and we were very honored to have Subhash ji and Jatin and Mr. Agarwal from Calcutta. All of us were
Yeah.
representing IIT team at ITM Jaipur, and it was an honor and privilege. It was held over 2 days on Saturday and Sunday, and we can see the business is picking up. And the similar kind of association, we would like to have more trade shows with Jatin and with our other ITN members who had come all the way from Delhi. They drove down, and in spite of these farmer strikes and stuff, they had the courage and at least drove down. And even though it took them quite some time going back, but at least we are moving on the right direction. And
Right.
Yes, absolutely. It's a
Put out
very
on the
positive
road,
sign
yeah,
that there were. Yeah, exactly. It's a positive sign, and tourism is picking up. Everything is going. I think it's going in the right direction, and hopefully, 21 is going to be a rocking year as far as our industry is concerned. Because other industries have already picked up. They have already started doing the business. It's only the tourism industry is facing a little problem.
Yes,
Anyways,
I
Naveen,
said, Veena, I said yesterday there, let's forget about Corona positive. Let's be business
Exactly.
positive.
let's be
Let's
business
be
positive.
business positive.
Absolutely, sir.
Let's be business. Very
Right.
true.
I
And
think
also,
we can
the government has already declared the hotel industry. We would also like the Andaman government also to come up and declare as a hotel industry, so that we get, in the tourism sense, more and more tourism boards, more and more states and union territories of India start recognizing us. We get you a lot of foreign exchange earnings. So we need to be publicized as an industry, and we need your support and cooperation, ma'am, in this regard.
Yeah, I think
Sure.
Sandeep ji, we are all connected. So demand hum will do
Yes,
behind
it all will be.
all the demand.
Oh, exactly.
Demand is no problem. Everybody has got. I think the whole system has got limitations, and we need to see accordingly what we can do. The most important thing is there is this moral support. Once there is moral support, we know people are doing their best to help us as much as possible. With of course all the given limitations, it's not easy. So we'll talk about our this thing later. Now the thing is, we can
Yes.
do also. We can work on some virtual events also, because IATA as a forum promotes virtual business. Real business, but on the virtual networking platforms. That is what our
Yes.
forte is. When we started creating the forum, that's how we are different. We
Cost effective.
do virtual meetings. Yeah, we do virtual meetings. We don't even meet. There is no physical meeting between IATA members either. So when we go for some physical event, that's a different thing. But otherwise, we do not meet in physical terms. So we can plan some virtual events as well with Andamans to promote Andamans. I don't know. Do you have trade fairs happening in Andamans also? Do you have some travel fairs happening, or no? Not really
No,
much.
sir. No, sir. No. As of now, we don't have. We used to visit all travel fairs throughout the year.
Okay. So there is no specific trade fair happening in Andaman. Okay.
No.
Okay. So we can try doing some virtual events as well to promote Andamans, because even in the social media platforms of IATA, like we have Telegram and Facebook group, we see a lot of demand for Andamans. So
Yes,
we
sir,
would
we see.
request you
Yes,
to add
yes.
as many members as possible to our Telegram and Facebook groups.
Absolutely.
Okay, so has anybody got questions, or should we just say thanks to Madam and Vinodji and their team?
I got something to add on to. Good
Yeah,
evening,
please.
everyone. This is Ekad Bishwas.
Great
I've
to
been
hear.
following our opening session over Facebook. There are a few questions coming up. I'd like to answer Facebook viewers. They were asking if Diglipur is open now. So I'd like to inform Diglipur, that is North and Middle Andaman Islands, are still not open. South Andaman Islands, except Hadbay, is open as of now. But hopefully very soon North and Middle Andamans will also be open. Secondly, people were asking about the activities that are open in Andaman. As of now, scuba diving is open in Havelock Islands, Swaraj Deep. It's going to start soon in North Bay, and rest all activities have been given permission to start. And hopefully, they'll be commencing the activities by next week, like parasailing, sea walk, and stuff like that. And secondly, I'd like to add on to a few things that we are looking up after the pandemic to develop Andamans as a destination. First will be offbeat tours. Like, after this pandemic, people don't like to travel in a crowd. People like to stay in secluded places. And Andaman is the ideal destination for that. So offbeat tours, we have islands which are not at all crowded, beaches, virgin beaches, islands with very less population and abundant nature. Long Island is one of them. So we have immense potential for offbeat tours in the coming days. Next could be destination wedding. People used to travel to Thailand, Maldives for destination weddings, but as international travel has taken a hit, so Andaman could be one of the new upcoming destination for destination weddings. Third would be MICE. So we had been doing this last. I'll take one more minute. Third would be MICE. We've been doing a lot of MICE events in Andamans, but earlier there were not much facilities for MICE in Andamans. Now with like Symphony Samudra and Taj coming up, we have immense potential for MICE events in Andamans. So we look forward to IITT's support in promoting Andamans in these sectors: destination wedding, offbeat tours, and MICE events. Thank you.
That's a wonderful news. That
Beautiful.
destination wedding. I think actually, you should promote destination weddings. Andaman as a destination wedding destination. It's very important for rest of India to know about it, because people are still looking at Goa. Of course, is always the first option. When it comes to within India. But I think as tourism department, they should promote Andaman as for destination wedding. It's going to be a good option.
IATO and IITT jointly promoting these three destination weddings in Andaman.
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to join hands in any case. I'm sure
hands, yes.
Vinodji is going to guide us for a lot of new upcoming things. So it is just the beginning of association, and we count on him to guide us for the whole process.
It's.
I'll not be guiding. I'll be seeking your blessings to promote Andaman.
That of course, but
sir, we are connected like a family.
Yes.
IRT is connected like a family. We are just connecting, pan-India tourism professionals, and it is becoming like a big family. If we see, I was myself surprised when I saw the business that we are doing on the platform, only on the social media, Telegram and Facebook also. I was just talking to somebody and I was told that there was a deal going on for X amount, which is a very big amount for a group. So a lot of businesses happening between the agents, and that is the good thing, because everybody comes with own forte. I may be strong in something, you may be strong in something else. So once we are connected together, it just it works like a family. So that's what the concept is, to make it a big family and united.
Yes.
And that is why we say, Naveen, know your IITian. Know your IITian.
Know your IITian. Yeah. That's what
That's why we have
Yeah.
coffee with Charcha, coffee pe Charcha on every Tuesday.
Know your IITian. That is how you will get more connected with each other.
Exactly. They're bringing everyone together, under the platform of IIT. So we all are connected already, but when you interact, on personal level, on a platform like this, it makes all the difference. And that's what is exactly happening currently, after this Know Your IIT and Coffee with IIT.
In coming days, I think within few days, we have this event coming up, which is called IIT to IIT, where you will have testimonials of few people. We cannot have everyone on board, but testimonials of few people who have done business within IITians and you feel very happy. So I think that's it. The idea of talking IIT to IIT. Once again, thank you so much, madam, for accepting to be here, and special thanks to Vinodji and his team for bringing madam on board and for bringing your team on board. Looking forward to connecting, with the power of Team IIT, the people that we have here who are our strength. Looking forward to connecting and growing together with all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinodji, everybody.
Thank you,
And the
Robert.
team.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
madam.
Congratulations
Thank
to
you,
us all,
everybody.
then, finally.
And
And
congratulations.
yes,
once again.
congratulations
That's
to
all.
Team IIT
Yes.
for this new
All.
launch.
Thank you.
Thank you
Most.
once again.
All right.
Last
Thank you
but
very
Thank
not
you,
the
everyone.
least,
Thanks a lot, sir.
congratulations,
Wonderful.
Andaman
It's
team,
only the
for a
beginning.
wonderful effort, and it's a collaboration,
Thank you,
ma'am,
sir.
which
Thank you, all
will
of you.
take us forward. It's a accessibility, your affordability, your accessibility to the government organizations, and with this awareness is going to be created, and I'm quite sure we're going to go great guns from here. Look forward to
Yeah, look
brighter
forward.
future in
Look forward.
Beginning to the infinite.
All of us.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you once
Thank
again.
you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Once again.
Thank you,
I'm
Vinodji. Bye.
See you.
All
See
right.
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I'll call you.